So good. Today our friends from Sutter Bakes brought us some delicious cookies and cakes. Red velvet cookies. This is the right cookie. Cream filled cookie. This is the best cookie out of all of the cookie now I have tried. Next we're gonna try the banana loaf nutty delight. No. Banana loaf is rich, it's moist. It has some depth of flavor. The cheesecake. Sniff test. Smells cheesy. What a smooth. Looks so smooth. It looks like a cream upon my face. Wow. Try it. One of the smoothest cheesecake I've ever tried. So you got the light and subtle taste of the cream cheese and so smooth.